Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fast forward YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your YouTube web app or mobile app, and then you can start fast forwarding or skipping your YouTube Shorts easily. All you need to do is just to go to the Shorts by going to the Shorts tab, and basically here we can see that there is no playback uh, the playback bar, but when you stop the shorts you will see that there is another playback bar that will be appearing, and by that you can start fast forwarding or you can go back or skipping the video. As you can see, we can just go to the end, or we can simply go back to the beginning. And as you can see, it's already like looping, the video is looping itself. So all you need to do is just like by skipping and fast forwarding or back forwarding the video, and you can do the same for all the shorts here in the YouTube shorts. So as you can see, whenever you stop you will be able to see this bar, and you can start fast forward and skipping the video, and basically that's simply how you can do it. And for the PC or your browser, you will be able to do the same. So basically, when you will be watching, you will have this bar that will be showing, and you just hover your mouse on it, and basically you will be able to do the same thing here by just like dragging and start dragging this bar, and then you will be able to skip. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.